Smart tips to help you boost your home business. A home business can be an amazing way to escape the crazy, stressful, and often unpredictable job market that leaves so many people unsatisfied. Running a business from home has huge advantages, such as completely avoiding a commute and not having to answer to the beck and call of an unpleasant and unappreciative boss. Read on for some great advice on how to make your aspirations of a home business a solid reality and income. You need to be able to listen to your internal time clock if you work at home or own your own business. It's true that there is very little that you can do about when your employer wants you to get up, but when you are in charge, try listening to your own body to determine when you should start your day. Be professional in advance. Get everything you need to show that you are a professional business person in advance. This includes business cards, a business phone and business email address. Make sure that all the pertinent information is printed on your business card, and when you hand one out, try to take the name of the person that you have handed it to. Your office needs some sort of door or barrier. Your office needs to be separate from the living areas in the home. This will be a mental and physical signal that your workspace is separate from your rest space. The separation will help you to leave your work behind when you are busy with the rest of your life. The benefits of a home business definitely outweigh any negatives, except of course the risk. A reliable paycheck is often what keeps so many people from reaching for their dream of a home business, but hopefully this video has given you the inspiration and information you need to build and run a home business that can sustain your needs and satisfy your dreams. Student loan.